What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick review on the tires that I've chose for my car, the Michelin 4S. Damn, that car looking so sweet behind there. Damn, shit looking good. Shit looking mean, bro. Shit looking mean. All right, turn this camera around, man. Okay, guys, so the reason why I didn't go with the standard tires, the Michelin Super Sport, simple reason. I didn't like those tires. Hated those tires. Hated the way they handled. Hated the way they handled in the rain. I just dislike those tires. I thought those tires were trash. That's just my opinion. It took forever for those things to warm up. Even in the summertime, 85. If it wasn't 85 degrees or higher, those tires took forever to heat up. Now, the Toyo R888R was my first choice. Those tires I really wanted, but the reason why I didn't go with those is because I heard they weren't so great in the rain and they weren't like, you know, your everyday all year round tire. Second reason was road noise. I love driving my car. I plan to drive it long distance, and the last thing I need to hear is road noise. I hate road noise. And it's not really a road noise, it's like a hum sound, they said. I've never driven in a car that had them on, and I'm just going by what other people are saying and what the reviews are saying. They are noisy tires, and I can't deal with any kind of noise while I'm driving, man. So the only thing I want to hear when I'm driving is the sweet sound of this exhaust. So now this brings me to the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. I've only had these tires on here for about a week and a half, and I have to tell you guys, these tires are amazing. They had great review. A bunch of other people have been using it on GT350. It handles so well. We are not even into the real summer heat weather where these things really shine. It's not really the time for it to shine yet. And so far, I've driven it in cold weather. I have driven it in the hottest weather so far has been like around 72, and 72 feels amazing. I could imagine how it's going to feel when we hit those 80-degree weather. When it's around like 40 degrees, the tire still handles well. It doesn't take long to heat up. Michelin definitely did their due diligence, definitely did their research, and definitely listened to their customer feedback, and they made a fantastic tire. All right, so if you're looking to buy tires for your car, man, Michelin 4S, unless you're looking for something a little more aggressive and you're not really worrying about rain and all that stuff, then you're not worrying about driving the car all year round like I plan to do. Obviously, I'm not driving in the snow and shit like that, but you know what I mean. Definitely go with the R888s. Those are great tires. These things hook. They hook. I'm not putting on no crazy horsepower, none of that shit, but this thing hook, man. Before, the other tires, like I said, if it wasn't 85 degrees or higher, them shits weren't hooking for nothing. Brand new, they still weren't fucking hooking for nothing. That's just my opinion. I know everybody gonna say, oh, those tires are great. To me, I thought them shits was trash, bro. But Michelin Pilot 4S, great tire. Definitely recommend. Definitely, I will buy it again. This is my go-to tire, man. For any car that I get, this is gonna be my go-to tire. So that was just a quick review. I only had it for a short time. Put the tires on about a week and a half ago, and so far, so money well spent. I don't want to make this video too long. Quick thing that I want to address: the reason why I went with 325 in the back, 30s, and 305 in the front, I could not find the standard size for the car. I went to every website, tire discount, tire rack. I even went to the Michelin website, and I couldn't find the standard tires, the standard size for our car. After weeks and weeks of searching, I finally decided to go with the 325 because I've seen other people use 325 in the rear and 305 in the front, and they feel fantastic, feel great, no issues, feel great. After a couple weeks, I don't know, I was doing something, and I said, you know what, let me just look on Michelin website and see if they have this tires. Yo, I went onto the website. They got the 295 35s, but they don't have 305 35s for the rear. They don't have it. You could go 315 30. And the crazy thing is, I researched and I looked and I looked and I couldn't find anything smaller than these tires. And it was so crazy that I looked weeks after, and then boom, the shit is on their website. I was so pissed off because there's a difference in money. It's a different. The 315s are less than the 325. You see what I'm saying? So it was crazy that after weeks and weeks, after I purchased it, 2 weeks later, I went on their shit and looked on there and found the goddamn tires. It's crazy, man. And like always, guys, please make sure, I want you guys to do me a big favor, do this car a big favor, do the channel a big favor. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell. You have to hit the notification bell because when I upload, you will never know when I'm putting up a new video. So please make sure you hit the notification. A lot of people are watching the videos, but a lot of people are not subscribed. So please help your boy out because I like to do more to this car, and the only way I can do it is with you guys' support. So please make sure you hit the subscribe, notification bell, and make sure you hit the like button. See you guys in the next video, man. Peace.